to make money on Fanvue. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over some of the secret tips that I give my one-to-one coaching clients and some important other information that you need to understand, especially my beginner clients. But before we get started, I feel like I'm getting tongue-tied already, guys. Make sure you subscribe down below. Give the video a thumbs up as it absolutely helps the channel. And if you need any services, promotional services, one-to-one coaching, Reddit management, Twitter management, or Instagram help, reach out to me on my Instagram. That direct link is always in the video description down below, and let me help you grow your Fanvue business. So let's get into it. The number one thing that I want to mention right off the gate is you have to understand and get into the mentality that this is a business. This needs to be your full-time job. I cannot tell you how many of my clients reach out to me. I go and audit their Fanvue. They don't know what's going on. And a lot of the times, even from just right out the gate, as soon as I just look at even the front profile of their Fanvue, I can see a few things that they are doing wrong. And then once I dig deeper, I can really figure out that they are not utilizing this as an actual business. It's more like kind of like a plaything. They're just kind of seeing what's going to happen, if they will make money, if they don't. And then they don't understand why they're not making money, but other models are making a lot of money. And it's because the high earning models, we know that this is a business and we treat it as such. So it gets our full-time attention. So that is the first thing I want to say, is your mindset and your mentality is going to kind of solidify, in a sense, how much money you are going to be making on Fanvue. So now let's go a little step further into that. And that thing is that you can make money on Fanvue even without subscription prices. I cannot tell you how many of my clients reach out to me and, they're wasting so much of their time on, oh, what should my tier prices be? How many tiers should I have? What should I offer in my tiers? And let me tell you something, on Fanvue, sure, obviously a subscription is great, but you could still make money even off of just regular followers on Fanvue if you know what you're doing and what I extensively go over in my one-to-one coaching. So that is another thing that you guys need to understand, is that you should not be just harping on your subscription price and how to get subscribers onto your Fanvue page, because if you are managing it correctly, those followers can turn into paying clients still. Now, going one step further and the juicy stuff on exactly how you would do that. So with a follower, Fanvue, the one thing I do have a video about is OnlyFans better than Fanvue, is Fanvue better than OnlyFans. The one thing that I go over that I kind of don't like on Fanvue, because it's confusing, is that there's a lot of options and maybe too many. But those options actually help you make money even with your followers. So in your messages setting, you should be sending out welcome message to every single person and follower you get, for every single tier and every single just regular non-paying follower in the beginning, okay? And there I'm saying in the beginning they're a non-paying follower, because if you start doing this, you will start converting some of those followers to make money. So in that welcome message to your followers, you should be sending them a message, and you should not be giving them anything for free. So with the followers, if you at least send them a welcome message with locked exclusive content, you are giving yourself the opportunity to be able to even milk those fans during that time of them not even being a paying subscriber. So that is what I want you to do immediately right after this video. If you have not done that yet, you are going to go into your welcome message settings and you are going to make a welcome message strictly for your followers, where it is going to say, thank you so much for following me. I really hope that you enjoy my content. I can't wait to get to know you more. Here is the most exclusive, spicy content that I've made. It's a full-length video, and because you're my follower, you're going to be getting this video for $18. Regular price is $65. Unlock it now. Tell me what you think. Let's have some fun, okay? You want to make it super enticing. You want to make sure that they know that they're getting a deal, because men or women, we love deals. So you want to make sure that you use that verbiage about them getting a deal. And lastly, what I use is actually something that we use in marketing, and that is called a CTA, and that is a call to action, where you are telling them, unlock this exclusive content. And this is what you should be doing in every part of your business. You want to give your fans, which are basically your customers, an action that you want them to take. It incentivizes them and subconsciously makes them do that action. So saying and wording your welcome message like that will absolutely start to get you your followers into paying followers. And who cares if they never subscribe? Because after that, you still now have direct access to your followers in the DMs. And this is where we make our most money as OnlyFans, Fanvue, and Fanvue models, is actually in our DMs with locked content. So a step further away from your welcome message, let's say they didn't open your welcome message, and realistically a good open rate is anywhere from like 2 to 8%. So if you get 100 fans, if you maybe have followers, if 10 to 20 of them actually open up and pay for that welcome message, that is a good ratio. So make sure you understand that and you have realistic expectations about this as well. But after that, you still now have direct access to these followers to be able to milk and drain them to make money. So you should constantly be messaging them. And this is not just for followers. You should also even be doing this for your subscribers. But your subscribers would just get cheaper prices on things because they've already paid that initial money up front. But you should be sending them locked messages every single day and trying to start a conversation with them, so that way you can make money outside of that free follow, or even outside of that $5 or $10 subscription price. And this is exactly how I teach my one-to-one clients in depth what they should be saying, what they should be sending, how much they should be charging, everything. And you could be doing this too, and should be doing it too, to make the most money. After that, I still want you to reach out to them and offer your other services, custom content, FaceTime calls, one-to-one, any type of interaction, right? I want to keep things a little PG on here, but you understand what I'm saying. So if you start doing this, I guarantee you are going to start making more money on Fanvue, even outside of a subscription price, and even with your followers. So if you have any questions, comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram. I literally answer everybody. And also ask me what I could do to help you grow your business. Until next time, guys.